If you're looking for a little extra oomph in your sit-ups, a little extra something to make them a little extra challenging, I'm gonna show you a few different ways to do that right now. Sometimes regular sit-ups are all we need to get through a workout and feel like we have accomplished crushing our abs. Sometimes we just want to add a little something extra to change things up or push our body just a little bit more, and we can do that by adding weight. I'm going to show you several different ways that you can add weight to your sit-ups to make it just a little more of a kick in the abs for you. If you want to review how to do sit-ups just regularly without weight, be sure to check out my video that tells you how to do regular sit-ups with all different kinds of modifications to fit your fitness level. So much for watching, everybody. If you found this video useful, please like it, subscribe to my channel, check out all the other free movement demonstrations and workout videos that I have for you, and I will see you soon. Bye.